Okay, so I was just like looking at the video that I just like was about to post. I mean, I wasn't about to post it. I was just kind of like looking at the footage and stuff. Whoa. Whoops. Okay, I was looking at the footage and I realized that a lot of my screen rotation was like this, and it needs to be like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and film my intro. Alright, hey guys. Welcome to the Estelle Show. Boring, right? Okay, so today I'm gonna do one of my first vlogs ever, and I'm so excited. So keep watching. Okay, so I was just listening to the footage again, and a lot of my audio is really bad. So I'm gonna have to do voiceovers the best that I can. So things are off, that's why I'm getting like really close to the camera to talk. That's also why, because that's why the audio is bad. So let's just keep trying. We got this. My makeup is done. Let me put on these sunglasses and do a little demo. Three, two, one. Boom. Okay. Brush the hair. Get everything else in shape like it needs to be. And then I'm gonna go change clothes. So I'll see you all in a second with a different outfit. Ready? 3, 2, 1. So I cleaned up and all that sort of stuff. Now I'm downstairs, just kind of hanging out. Oh my gosh, let me show you. Hi, puppy. I love how my neighbors are over there with the pool, and like I never see them in it. Like if I had a pool, I'd be in there every single day. Oh my gosh, let me show you my chickens. Hold up.
Look at all those chickens.
Hey guys. No, I am so excited. So we're all going to be taking a family road trip. It's like an hour and a half away. I will not be vlogging an hour and a half because that's crazy. But I will vlog it, okay? Love you, bye.
Every time that she gets close, yeah, she pulls me in half a mile.
It's so pretty. And there's like a pool in the backyard and everything. Look at all this land. Tractor and everything. We pulled up, I thought it was kind of sketch. But it looks lit, so I'm ready. Let's go. I'm gonna change into my swimsuit. 3, 2, 1. All right. Let's go swimming. Let me get my sunglasses on. Ready? gonna walk out there in a bathing suit. Ready? Boom. Alright. Now, okay guys, so here's no. Okay. But since we're out in the country, people bringing their dogs. We're about to go see some. So yeah, and I have no makeup on right now, so it's good, it's not cool. Excited, and I have to have more storage and stuff for tomorrow, so let me say goodnight to you all now, and I'll insert some pictures after this, if I have any more, and I'll see you all at tomorrow's vlog. So good morning, and I'm about to go on another tractor ride. I'm going to go look at the baby cows, there's a baby, go to a creek, and also go put some cows, go milk some cows. I'm really excited, but I think this is gonna be the end of the vlog. I'm sure there's gonna be some pictures at the end here, but yeah, I'll put pictures after, but next vlog, bye! Okay, so I know my audio, don't leave, I'm sorry, and the next clip is use robots to milk cows. It makes me really upset because it kind of looks like it hurts the cow, but whatever. Anyways, those cows were adorable. This is the end of the vlog. Right here at the end. This is really cringy, but love you all. Bye.